Hey, what's up guys? This is the phone Xiaomi Mi Note 10. For order, please check description link. Okay, and this is price range and 43 reviews and 4.8 ratings. Still 186 orders and 64 pieces available. Okay, condition is new and the bundle is near standard mi earphone mi band 4 and black, ships from China. This is the video. Okay, unboxing this phone. Really it's nice looking. This is the battery. Okay, and in-screen fingerprint, Google Play, NFC, and this is the charger and battery. This quad camera, wow, and 3D curved AMOLED and Snapdragon. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please check description link for order. Okay, bye bye, tata.